guys, welcome back to Frosted Crumbs. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super duper trendy number cake from scratch. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I made a new cake. So here's what you're going to need: flour, sugar, eggs, salted butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, and almond extract. The exact measurements will be linked in the description box below. So the first thing you're going to want to do is dice up your butter and throw it into your stand mixer, and then add your sugar and mix it on low until it starts to come together. Once it comes together, it should look light and fluffy. Next, you're going to add your 2 eggs, vanilla and almond extract, and your baking powder. Don't forget to scrape down your bowl, because if you don't, it'll get all sloshy in there, which is what happened to me. So be aware and scrape it down. Next, you're gonna add your flour, and I added it 2 cups at a time just to prevent the mixer from powdering everywhere. Then I took my dough and I divided it into 4 parts. So you're gonna wanna roll out your little sections of dough on some parchment paper, because once you cut out the number, it's just gonna be way easier to transfer it onto the baking sheet. So to make the number template, all I did was went on Google and found images of the number that I wanted, and then I took it and put it in Word and made it as big as I could. This is a really awesome thing about this cookie dough recipe, is that you do not have to chill it at all. The next thing you're gonna do is make the frosting, and this frosting was super good and so easy to make. So you're gonna need some mascarpone cheese, vanilla, powdered sugar, and some heavy whipping cream. So start off by adding your mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, and powdered sugar to the mixer and mix it up. Then you can add your vanilla extract and mix it up until it comes together and it gets really stiff and whippy looking. Next, you're going to put your delicious whipped mascarpone cheese frosting into a piping bag, and I just cut a hole with some scissors, but you can use a tip if that's what you want to do. So I'm sure you guys are, of course, wondering why I use the number 20. Well, let me tell you. It's because I'm turning 20 this month because it's my birthday. So if you want to give me a birthday gift, hit that subscribe button down below. So this is the best part. It's the funnest part. You get to add all the different little decorations. I decorated with some delicious strawberries. I cut them in half so you can see like the cross section with like the white and the red, and it just looks so pretty. And I also had some carnations, so I cut those up, wrapped them in some aluminum foil so that they could be food safe, and I just placed those all over the cake. And that is how you make this cake. It's super simple, super delicious, and super easy. That's the only adjective I know. For my birthday, it would mean so much to me to get to 400 subscribers by the 21st of February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.